Hello to anyone watching this video. I'm Nick. I just took a shower and I need to get a haircut because I look like more of a emo piece of shit than I already am. But anyway, today I am 2.5 months on T, which means it is my 6th shot day. And I'm gonna record it like I always do. So my voice has dropped again. Just like in general, it drops very, very tiny amounts every day. So if I compare it to from like the beginning of a week to the end of a week, I can definitely hear differences even if nobody else can. Got my tea. Beautiful, beautiful tea. Bye, bitch. Alright. So I've noticed that every one of my shot videos is getting progressively faster. So I'm trying to make this the fastest one yet, sorry. I'm a little high again. Since it didn't hurt all that much last time and there was no blood, I figured I'd do it stoned again, see if I can get the same results, and if I can, I will do it like this every time. God, I really hope. You know what? I bet my phone isn't going into focus because you can't see my face. Yep. Because my long ass hair, I told you guys I'm going to get a haircut. And I'm going to get one this weekend, hopefully. Alright. My happy trail, dude. Oh, it's so nice. I wish I could show you guys, but I'm insecure about my stomach because I've gained some weight. I have gained about 10 pounds since being on T, which isn't bad. I mean, I got like a bit of a double chin now, but I don't think anybody really cares that much. I feel better about the way my body looks. Like, I think my shoulders have broadened out. They used to be a lot slimmer. They used to be like at the same point as my hips, and I think they're, I don't know. I think they're wider than my hips. I'm so happy with how deep my voice has dropped. I know I've already made like several videos on my fucking voice alone, but just 2.5 months and I pass as male. I've been gendered correctly a plethora of times. And I don't know, I'm just grateful that my transition's going along pretty quickly, because I don't know how much longer I could have taken it, to be honest. Like, I was quite near my breaking point when I started T. I was gonna flip my shit if I didn't get it soon. It's being a bitch to withdraw this time slow. You can never really know how well it's gonna draw. Sorry if you can hear my dog, by the way. She loves to bark at the neighbors. She thinks they're trying to kill us all the time. Yeah, I have a feeling this is gonna be longer than my last shot. Only because this is taking for fucking ever. Oh my god. Okay, I think that's enough. That's gotta be enough, right? Alright, yeah, I'm just gonna say that's good. Cool. I don't really have much else to say, because not much else has happened since my last, like, little update thing. My hair grew longer. Next time I go get a haircut, I'm gonna ask the barber if he can like square it out right here, and I'm gonna hope those like baby hairs don't grow back, because I know it'll like recede on its own eventually, but I just want to see if I just like cut them off, if they'll will grow back. Probably not. It's just a theory I have. I don't know. Okay. Why do I always forget which leg I stabbed? I think it was the left. It's a right leg kind of day. All right. Have my gauze right here in case I start dying. Got my tea. Got my fucking wipe for my leg because I'm a dirty motherfucker. Should be fine since I just took a shower, but better safe than sorry, you know? I'm so fucking tired today. I've done nothing but like lounge around. And I don't know. I need to be active and do something. It's probably why I'm getting fat, because I'm not doing shit. Gotta start exercising or something. That went well. Just a tiny little bit of blood, not too much. Alright, I'm at 7 minutes, so I'm kind of close to the last time, but thanks for watching. That was my 6th tee shot.